Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a review video on the Luminess tarot palettes. I have two of them here that I won in a giveaway, and I want to swatch them for you guys. And if you want to see them in action, like how they apply with other shadows and primer, click on the link down below. That will show you this makeup tutorial. It is my Zodiac Cancer tutorial, and you guys can see them in action. But today we're just going to be looking at the packaging, the quality of the eyeshadows and how they swatch, and tell you a little bit about the packaging. So let's get started. The first one I have here is the Strength one, and on the back it actually gives you the tarot card picture, and then it gives you an explanation. And says the dynamic strength extends far beyond mere physical attributes, using your inherent strength along with your innate ability to suppress emotions as an act to tame and will others. Your bold and vibrant vigor will showcase vividly beyond your wildest imaginations. Make your passion your strength. So this is by Luminess Cosmetics, and they are actually based out of Texas. So it's a really pretty packaging. It's got this I'm not sure if this is like a goddess or something on it, but it's super pretty, and it opens up like this, just like the Tarte I think Pro Artist palette or something. So it comes with a little synthetic brush, and as you can see I used it, and it's an okay brush. It's definitely better than most, but this one comes with 6 colors, and there's Aura, Passion, Invincible, Ambition, Infinity, and Energy. Today I am wearing Ambition and Energy, and then some of the other colors on my eyes are from the other palette. So I'm just going to swatch these on my arm, and we'll see how they go. So the first one is Aura. Looks like this, and it's a really pretty metallic pink. I actually used this on my inner corner before, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Then we have Passion. This one has a bit of silver glitter in it, and it is more of a purpley red. And again, you can see they are super duper pigmented. Then we have Ambition, which is this gold. And like I told you guys before, you can kind of see these swatches might be not perfect, but that is on my inner corner. Then we have Invincible, which is this kind of white gold. This one is super soft. And there you can see what it looks like. And then we have Infinity, which is the blue. And the blue is okay. That's 2 passes there. And it's more pigmented than others, but yeah. So I'm going to do Energy on my other arm. This is a really messy swatch. This one definitely applies better when it comes to your eyelids. As you can see, I have it on my eyelids today. And we have the Moon palette, and on the back of this one it says the nighttime moon is a mysterious place where things are not always what they seem. Representing your shadow self, the deep hues allow you to dive deep into your soul, giving your subconscious a chance to emanate in a dreamy and celestial, beautiful way. No matter the hidden truths that exist in your life, the stars remain bright, beautiful, and forever illuminated. Dream while the moon beams. And it's the same front, same brush, same style packaging. So the color I'm going to swatch now is Illuminate, and it is this kind of vanilla-y color, which you probably won't be able to see. It's right there. Then we have Empower, which is in my crease, and this is a matte brown shade. Looks like that. Hopefully you can see. Then we have Celestial, which is basically the same color as Empower, just metallic. Looks like that right there. Then we have Eclipse, which is this kind of gunmetal-y gray color. Again, it's metallic. Then we have Lunar, which is seems like a satin shade, and it's got a little bit more blue to it than the other one. And lastly, we have Dream, which is this pretty metallic purple. And it just looks like that. So there is the Moon palette. So overall, these shadows apply really nicely and they blend very well. But I will say that the blue one, Infinity, is probably the least impressive out of all of them. But all of the shadows are very prettily packaged. And they have a really nice like embossing on them. But again, if you guys want to see a like in use kind of thing where I use these shadows, check out my tutorial for this look down below and you guys can get the full effect. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little review and I will see you guys next time.